If we read the MOG report, it had also highlighted some of the things that were mentioned this morning, particularly the restrictiveness that was on the media and the confusion with regards to the voter card. So I'm glad that it was raised, because that is something that we'll just have to have a humility spirit in the Fijian Elections Office, look at what we did wrong in the previous general election and try to improve it in consultative approach with our stakeholders. I will not elaborate more on that because it's currently in the court system, but what I would say is that the MOG report had also highlighted the provision and its appropriateness, whether it needs to be reflected again for the next general election or not. So that is something that we will look at while reviewing the electoral laws. For the Fijian Elections Office, it's basically a different approach for us. We have always been reactive previously. But what we want to achieve now is just work together with our stakeholders. And I'm glad that the media and the CSOs are here, the heads, and basically just work together hand in hand for the next general election instead of how we did things previously.